your I don't understand my dog. Oh my god. Why? Why you want to do? Why you want to do? No, too. Okay, yeah. Now they are so big than before. Just 5 months ago. 5 months ago. Buck. Hello, Buck. Hello. Hello, Buck. Hey, 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 hey. No. Hey, 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 hey. Buzzy? Buzzy? To me? To me? Ah, you're so cute. Tommy, you're so cute. Hả? Hả? Cho lớn nào mới nè. Bác. Bác. Oh, you're so tired. You tired? Bác. You tired, bác? I'm tired, man. Bạn này. Bạn. Momo. This is a crabby. Crabby is the mother. Mother also to me. Yes, mother also to me and Bach. To me. To me. You know my house look dirty because of my dog. But I really love dog, you know. Who know my feeling? Maybe I need to do a small house for them, right? Show me a rank cake, how up your body. Oh, but chào ơi, I'm not đi. Your body. Okay, bye bye. See you next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.